Hello everyone. In this video I'll explain you the important Java or programming concepts for CSE GATE exam. In this video I'll be covering the OOPS concepts, data structures and time complexity. These three concepts I'll be covering. If you are watching my video for the first time, then subscribe to my channel for more videos and updates. Let us start with the OOPS concept. That is, we have encapsulation. And encapsulation means binding the data and the methods together, wrapping up of the data and the methods together. That is what encapsulation means. In this encapsulation, also you have to focus on the access modifiers and why an encapsulation matters. You have to focus on these two concepts as well. And second topic is inheritance in OOPS concepts. Reusing the code from the parent class. Inheritance means we are reusing that same code from the parent class. Let us see an example. Class A, this is the parent class name and some methods and fields in it. And class B is the child class, extends the class A, that is parent class, and some methods and fields in it. This is the example of inheritance. In inheritance concept, you have to focus on the single versus multiple inheritance in Java. These are the questions that are very important and asked in the previous year question paper for GATE exam. And let us see the third topic, that is polymorphism. Polymorphism means we have only one method and many forms. Poly means many. Only one method that has the many forms. That is what exactly polymorphism means. And in polymorphism, you have to practice the code for the method overloading with the same name, different parameters. And the fourth concept is abstraction. Abstraction means hiding the implementation details. Means what and all is not necessary, we are hiding that in abstraction and showing only essential information. We are showing the only essential data, hiding all the not needed unnecessary points. And in this abstraction you have to focus on the difference between abstract class and interface. This is the concept that you have to focus more in abstraction. Here the OOPS concepts ends. The second one is data structures. Let us see that. The second one is data structures. In data structures we have arrays, linked list, data stack and queues, trees and hash map or hash table. Let us start with the arrays. Arrays is the fixed size. We have a fixed size for the array and it is indexed. We have indexes in the array and uses in searching or sorting question. The array is used in the searching or sorting type of questions. For example, int array. Here the indexes will be there. This is the values that are stored in this array, and the index starts from 0, 1, 2 and so on. And the second one is linked list. Linked list is a dynamic memory allocation, and in this linked list you have to focus the difference between the singly doubly and circular list. This is very important. And also practice the traversal, insertion and deletion problems in the linked list. Very important that you have to practice. And in stack and queue, logical problems, you have to practice more the logical problems in the stack and queue. And stack means last in first out. Whatever the element comes the last, that will go out the first. For example, you have to practice the example with the function calls in the stack. Queue is the first in first out. Whichever the element enters the first, that will go out first. And you have to practice the example with the scheduling in queue. And the fourth one is tree. That is binary tree basics. You have to learn all the basics of the binary tree. and practice binary search tree, that is BST, for searching questions. You have to practice the BST searching questions. And the fifth one is hash map or hash table. You have to, in this concept, you have to focus more on the key value pace and fast access. And one more thing, focus on the average case and worst case time complexity in the hash map hash table. And the third one is time complexity. You have to focus more on the time complexity. In that we have big O notation, common complexities. Big O notation means it will explain the upper bound. For example, for linear search we have big O n. For binary search we have big O log n. This is for logarithmic. And the common complexities we have, like for big O 1, that is to constant, and big O n, that is for use it for linear, and big O n cap 2, that is to represent the quadratic, big O log n, that is for logarithmic. And the third one is complexity in loops and nested loops. For single loops, that complexity will be big O n, and the double nested loops we have O n square. Before solving the code, just check the constraints. And the fourth one is best, average and worst cases in the time complexity. For example, for quick sort, the best case is the big O n log n, and the quick sort, for worst case we have big O n square. You have to practice the multiple choice questions in the best, average and worst cases. If you go through these three topics, then you can easily score in the GATE exam for CSE. And if you found this information helpful, then subscribe to my channel for more videos and hit the like button. Share this info with your friends who are preparing for the GATE exam. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.